And tell me about how is the weather in your locality?
Yeah, here too much cold and like weather today sunny day, but cold is very much.
Yeah, yeah, same here in Rajasthan. It's a freezing cold, and it's going on since last 15 days. You can say yesterday in Rajasthan, and especially in the northern part of Rajasthan, we all women have a fast, and
Mhm.
we have to break our fast to
Same
see
here.
the.
I also did like when around 10 o'clock in night I see moon, then I took our fast to means rest our fast. Yeah.
But we couldn't we couldn't see at my area. We have a you can say the cloudy weather last two
Mhm.
3 years.
Yeah, that's why you couldn't see.
Okay. Have you any special topic for discussion?
No, I haven't any topic. If you have, so I can discuss.
Okay. Do you a spiritual person or a normal atheist or atheist person? You believe in
Hello.
God and all things and not?
I believe too much God. I believe like God have lots of power and each and everything.
Yes, yes. But some people say we have also same power just like God. We have to just awaken us. We need to awaken us our power
Yes,
by meditating, by worshipping, by
yes.
doing dance. Sometimes people say, and sometimes believe in a physical God. They get some scriptures. You can say the murti. No,
Mhm.
and after the pran pratishtha nowadays in India, have a
Yeah,
craze of.
too much. Yes.
Yes,
You
yes.
know, I
After.
the hard work. If you like do any hard work and if you help yourself, so God help you. Like if you sit one place and think God give me each and
Yes.
everything, so it's impossible.
Yes, very true. That's why our saint says we have a similar power to just like a god, just like a
Yes,
goddess,
yes.
just like a devi or devata. And some people get, nowadays a craze in our northern part, get some little Kana, little Radha. They are taking care just like as your child.
Mhm. Yeah,
Have you heard about this
my
kind of thing?
child. I heard about and I see someone told me ki you take Krishna. So I say ki I have little Krishna because I have my son. So I say I have. So I take care in them because I am very busy. Like every time we have to do all work.
Yes,
But
yes,
I believe God. Like whenever I get time, so I read Ramayana and means I am worshipping like person, but no, ki I only do worship every time. First my family, after that God, because
yes.
God.
Yes, I don't have idea these kind of thing. But one day I went one of my friend house and I watched their fan is switch on, and I asked you why did you keep the switch off fan? Oh, you don't see there is a kana. What happened, kana? We have also kana in our temples, at our home temple. No, no, okay, these kind of things not like that. We have to do all things. If we are going to another city, we have to with us. So they are taking bath, feeding
Huh.
them. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, or changing their clothes every
yes.
day.
Like
And
like
a
they take
child,
little kids.
yes, yes, little kid waking up and well, all things,
Kana like this, soja, kana soja. Like this, I seen lots of time. I seen. Yes.
Yes. And one day my brother told me, just like a Kana, nowadays people have a craze to get Radha Rani at our home, their homes. So it's a very interesting things in India about our religious and our God and universe. Different kind of opinion, different have a way, and we learn new things from our religious power.
Yes.
Sometimes we forgot our power, our history.
Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, it's a good if anyone keep like this. So yeah, it's a good. They means they believe lot of means they believe too much.
Yes, yes. In India, we have a different kind of opinion in about the
Correct.
religious. Have you heard about the Brahma Kumari's ashram in Rajasthan, Mount Abu?
No,
It is the very famous and it's not far from your MP. You should have you heard about Mount Abu, a hill
no,
station of Rajasthan?
no.
You should Google and
Uh,
it is a famous hill station. and
Mhm,
also near about a Palanpur of the
mhm,
Gujarat. And there
mhm,
is a famous spiritual, you can say the meditation house, and
mhm.
they called Brahma Kumaris. They tackled by all women. It is the specialty of the ashram.
Wow.
All had all you can say the devotee of women's and also head of the women.
Mhm.
They called it them Dadi.
So like what they do, like they teach each and everything how to
No, in India,
live.
all time we have a spiritual saint, is, most of the male, and
Mhm,
it is a different from all over world. They have a branch, and especially it had a person is a female, so it's a
mhm.
different kind of situation.
Kind of. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, it's a very good. It's a very good.
And they
Yeah.
try to teach them all person to meditate, how to concentrate. No,
Yeah. It's like
they
I also seen like what say one sent what name Sadguru
yes,
Sadguru.
yes,
Actually,
Sadhguru also. Isa
I was.
Foundation. Isa
Mhm,
Foundation is a, you can say, ashram, and it's situated in the Bangalore, and also
mhm.
famous Sadhguru.
Mm. Actually,
And
I
they were,
watched three, four means like I want to do inner engineering. What is I want to know what is inner engineering. So my sister took classes there. So when she took class there, so and while taking class, I also sit there and I heard what they saying ki you do this, you do that. So you wake up 3 o'clock and do
yes,
some
yes,
exercise like this. Yeah. So I
yes, yes. In our religions, all view of we have some similarity. Just wake up 3 o'clock. All of the saint. And have you heard about the Parmanand Maharaj live in a Gurukul, Vrindavan?
But
It's
yeah,
all
whole long daddy and yes, that
yes, yes,
that
yes,
yeah,
yes,
beard,
yes.
white beard, yeah.
Yes,
Her
they
voice
also
very
start
funny and her
preaching.
huge bird. Yeah, huge bird. Oh my God, like every word is touching in heart. Yes.
And some people say about they have lost their both kidney and after
Yes,
they
they
living
are
good
living
life and in a
right.
healthy manner, wake up early and doing lot of things in their
Yeah.
locality.
I believe ki if you get up early in the morning, so you can do each and everything. And in morning time, very good environment every time, like everywhere, silence. And if you want to do anything, so you can do very easily at that time in
Yes,
morning
yes.
time. So that's
And
why our uh,
yes, yes, in a proper way, we can do in a proper way, and it is a very calm, and our energy level is very high that time.
that time. Yes, yes, yeah. So
And
I believe.
have you ever
Uh-huh.
visited India, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi?
Actually, I haven't visited sorry, Rajasthan, but I have visited Punjab, Haryana. I have visited.
Okay, Punjab. In Punjab, have a tradition of lot of dera. Have you heard about?
Actually, I heard about Dera once one sent cash to police station means something. So that time I heard about Dera, but
Baba
I
Ram Rahim.
don't know very much. Yeah.
He called by yes, yes. Baba Ram Rahim. It is situated in the Sirsa, the district of Haryana.
हाँ, Baba Ram Rahim. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. So,
yes.
yeah.
Have you ever visited any special temple, any special god and goddess? Are you follow?
Yeah, I have visited Himachal Pradesh like Jwala Mata and Chandigarh Mansa Devi Mata and Chintapurni Mata. I think it's Himachal Pradesh and Vaishno Devi and Vindhyavashini. Lots of temple I have visited like Banaras, Bajnath Dham. Means I am very religious person, so whenever I visit anywhere, so with family and any temple. Yeah.
Yes, in India have a craze, and nowadays after the building our Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, have a boom in
Yes.
a religious topics, religious conversation, discussion. So that's
Yes.
why I think why should not we discuss about these kind of things.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah.